Hello, good morning, and welcome to the allotment. Got a few jobs to do. Not sure what jobs I'll actually get done today, but one of the first ones is going to be to have a look at some of these potatoes in buckets. I'm not very hopeful in terms of the harvest because they haven't grown away too well, some of them. But I'm going to have a look at two of them that have died back and see what we've got. Just turn the camera around and have a little look in the polytunnel. So all the tomato plants are growing away well, as you can see. I've got the garlic, elephant garlic, which I might look at taking some of that out today. And just swing around here, the melons are growing away nicely. I've got sunflowers that need to go out. The cucumber plants are growing away, although a bit slower than, and I've got one cucumber to harvest there. Just about to see that one. Okay, so today's going to be a bit of a catch-up day, but I'll see how I get on and I'll record some of the jobs to do. Okay, so these are the two potato buckets I'm going to have a go at. I've took most of the tops out, but a couple of things. The potato tops go into a waste compost bag. The compost itself will go into a bag as well. In fact, I'll put that into the trug that you can see there, the waste compost or the used compost, and that will be used on the beds later in the year. So let's get on with sorting these out. Okay, so I've emptied those two potato buckets. There was a problem with the video, I think, so just recap what I've done. So the potato tops are in that bag there. The used compost is in the trug, the two empty buckets, and then the few potatoes that we actually got, which is quite disappointing. Okay, like I say, I picked those buckets because those potatoes had gone over quick, so I wasn't expecting a very good harvest, and that's what I got. But if we look at the other potato buckets, you can see they're growing away quite strongly. Bit of a mix really, but these are quite strong. So I'd expect the better potato buckets to be giving me probably, let me get out of the sunlight. So I'd expect the better potato buckets to give me probably double what I've got there. That's what I normally get anyway. So we'll wait and see. I will video what I get. Okay, well, we're talking about potatoes. Let's go across and have a look at the potatoes in the ground. Just wander across the allotment. So you can see here the main crop potatoes in the ground are doing really well. Those are a long way from being harvested. The runner beans are going up the poles now quite well. And if we look here, these are the early potatoes in the ground, which are doing quite nicely. Okay, while I've been away, been a bit of a disaster on the courgette front. So if I swap over now, let's have a quick look. See, one's been totally decimated, and then we've got slug damage on that one, but these two are growing away quite well, so I suppose 2 out of 4 isn't bad. The climbing French beans are starting to move as well. Okay, so I'll do a bit of tidying up and then I'll get on with some of the other jobs. Okay, this is the sweet corn bed, and what I've got to plant. I'll take. I've got 14 sweet corn plants and obviously I planted in rows of 3, so I had a gap. So that's a Tom Thumb pumpkin to go in. I'm going to also on the end a squash plant down here. I'm going to put that towards the top. And then I've got some butternut squash, so those will go a bit further along. So I'll just drop these in. In fact, I'm going to put another pumpkin in here as well. So I've got a pumpkin in the middle, a squash up the top there, and a pumpkin down here. This ground's been suitably prepared. I'll have to water them in later. So there's the first pumpkin in, and the squash. I'm going to try and train them to go up towards the polytunnel. And this larger pumpkin, let's take that out. It's a potato, I don't want that. And then I've got a butternut squash, couple of butternut squash. So I've got one called Hunter and one called Waltham. There's a double there, so that can go in. The spares I'm going to keep in the polytunnel for a short while. And that just in case I lose these, so I can replace them. Okay, so like I say, those will go in the polytunnel, those spares, just for a few days in case these go backwards, and then they can be replaced. But within a month or so, this ground will all be covered with the pumpkin and squashes, which will help keep the weeds down and the corns had a chance to grow away. Okay, off to the next job. Okay, back in the polytunnel. I have to sit down, I've hurt my leg, so it's giving me a bit of pain. One of the things that we did, if you can remember, is we grew a lot of lettuce in the polytunnel, and the idea was to have a succession of lettuce by starting some more before we'd harvested all that we'd grown. Unfortunately, that's not quite worked out as we intended, so I've only just got the replacement plants to put in, so they're a bit slow to germinate and grow on, and we've used all the lettuce that we'd started, so unfortunately we're going to have to rely on Mr. Tesco or Sainsbury's or someone to provide us with some lettuce for a few weeks while these grow away. So my next little job is to plant a few lettuce. I'm also going to put some radish in as well. So these are the lettuce. It was a mixed lettuce that we put in. When I say mix, we just get a load of seed packets, mix them up, and then plant them out. So these are going to go in. I just need to lift up the melon plant, and they'll go in front of the melon. And the other thing I'm going to drop in is some radish seed as well in between the lettuce. So running out of battery on the video camera, so I'm not going to video all of this, but you get the idea of what I'm going to do. Okay, so I managed to do a few jobs today. You've seen some of them that I've done. Harvested a few potatoes. That was a disappointing harvest, but expected looking at the tops of the potatoes, but got better to come. In terms of other jobs, I've done some weeding around that bed. And I've planted the pumpkins and pumpkins and squashes, not the courgettes, those are already in. And in the polytunnel, let me just change the camera. And also I've put the lettuce in, I've put some radish in between, and we'll see how those go. A bit of an odd harvest today, so we've got potatoes, which you saw me collect, sweet peas, a cucumber, and some mixed fruit, cherries, strawberries, raspberries, and loganberries. Okay, so like I said, I've done a few jobs, but I am struggling a little bit as a result of my knee playing up. Like I said, I had a fall when I was out walking and hurt my knee and my ankle, and it's not too bad when I'm standing up, although when I've been bending it's aggravated a little bit, but hopefully it is showing signs of getting better. So it's been nearly a week, but I'm not going to push it too hard, so I'm going to finish there today down the allotment, unless I come back later and do a bit of watering. And I need to get back anyway and start doing some preparation work for our plant bring and buy and barbecue tomorrow at the allotment. So I'll say bye for now. Bye.